Hi, this is very burning topic. We are facing this challenge being an HR because we are all working from home right now. So, how to maintain work culture? Because in company, yes, we were continuously practicing on making positive work culture or doing the controlling the people how to create a positive work culture or to establish certain rules. So my dear friends, while working at home we feel this is a challenge, but to my mind, I have certain points which I thought of sharing with you all, and you can put up your own ideas and your new kind of innovation so that we can mutually work on that. Because we are a community of working together. So let's discuss on the points. What I feel it virtual time work culture is as important as we work into the organization. So you can ask your employee to put on the screenshot of or share a workplace. Their table from their where they are working, so that will you can put it onto the organization screen. On your board, like how the people are working from their home. This is really exciting now. Once they started up working from home, so what kind of challenging they are facing and how they are enjoying their work with a cup of coffee. Or you can reset your expectations. You can help them psychological safety also, because this is a tough time when they go on to the they need a certain kind of emotional counseling also, so you need to support them. Your senior need to support their team. So they should come up with the how can I help you, establish certain rules for meetings and virtual in and out time, because everybody cannot be in front of camera for 8 hours or so. The eyes will get blurred. So dear friends, now you can give them the relaxation for between, so that they can take up the their eyes to be relaxed, or they can work on that. So this is the way. We have a lot of things to come up mind. You can make virtual cafe house. You can have cup of coffee late evening, or you can say happy hours. You can that where they can after of whole day hectic schedule, they come on the screen, they enjoy the happy hours. That you can always decide of your own. You can have book clubs, you can have games on late night, like late night only at the time of weekends only, not on every day. But yes, games on night can be played. Wellness programs you can held on. At the time of COVID, how to be taking care of their stress that has to come out, and they become stress free, and their other emotional problems to deal with if they have some COVID patient at home. There are a lot of things that you need to know about it. Then you establish some at the day end, you establish certain kind of a new theme for tomorrow. That can always be mutually discussed by HR or the department heads, or they can do any activity related to that. At the time of starting of week, that's on Monday, you start your Monday with fun day. That you should be motivating, you should be fun filling, you should be totally enthusiastic and positive in your nature, and end up your week with the fun filled exercises, or again, as I said, about certain happy hours or some game activities. You can involve their families also, or sharing the achievement of their. Now find out the new ways to celebrate. As we all know that the children, their results have came out and they passed on with the flying colors, so they can you can make a channel named Good News of the Day, where you can flash the news from the different employees, where they want to share their achievement of their kids, and if there's something at some good celebration, because we are very social, and right now we are under one place, so we cannot move out to share our celebration. So this is the way you can celebrate it at the time of sharing good news. Right. So, this is a channel name. You can share it. You can share good news. You can give them the kudos. You can have the your past funny and loving moments you shared with in the organizations while working under one roof, and fix up a time to the week to bring sense of community. Also, sense of community means here like now you give them the opportunity to record their programs or their videos where they can give them awareness program for health and awareness, wellness, and as well as some yoga exercises to people where they are not able to get through into, through different sources. So you can here be workout for the people or the families who are poor, who have lost their jobs. Now you are fulfilling your social responsibility. Now you have to go extra mile. I mean, extra mile here means you have to practice something new which you never had before with your employees, so that you can share about certain rewards, what they, how they behave, or how they are managing a new work culture. You can have the gamification sessions, also gamification where you can play with them certain games which are related to work, and which are related to interpersonal relationship and the good communication at the digital level, because everybody is not so comfort at the time of, once they have to work from home and they have to be maximum time on the digital platform. So social, obviously you can make social calendar also where you can share with them that what socially they can do it. So this kind of an ongoing process which we can see, and we can see how this uh, work time home, which is the very tough time for all of us, because we are all social person and we are missing that. So we can have the buddies program. We can have the latest life hack experiences you can share with them. You can throw out virtual your vacation photographs of their previous years, where you have that enjoying moments of your families. I mean, you see how your employees were happy, and how we can be win, and how we can win, how we can work to win. Get in touch, and that feeling you need to give to your team also. Thank you. You can add on your own experiences, your own creativity, where we change our lifestyle. We can be benefited more to work on a digital platform, and simultaneously we can maintain good work culture at home also. Thank you.